How to change age on Hinge dating profile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change age on Hinge dating profile. For this, launch open the Hinge app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the Edit Profile option. Here, you want to scroll down and find the section of My Vitals. You have your name, gender, pronouns, age, height, location, all the details over here. Tap on the one that says age. Now you can simply select your date of birth. When you do that, your age will also be changed. Remember that your age can only be changed once. So if you change it now, you will not be able to change it again in the future. So make sure that you have entered the correct date of birth. Once you have entered the correct age, simply tap on this back button. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on the confirm option to confirm your age. Once you do that, your age on the Hinge dating profile will be successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.